welcome everybody to the newly renamed Village Bistro here at Freedom Village. Let's take a look at all the new updates we have to offer. All right, here we stand at the actual pizza oven where they're going to be making fresh pizzas every day. Actually, other dishes in this oven too, lasagna, everything great. They have a prep station here that they just put in. The counter will actually be able to seat people right up at the pizza bar while they're making their pizzas and throwing them in the oven. Here in the kitchen area, we have a new grill, flat top, and new equipment and new tile, and we're going to get this fired up and start cooking out of here anytime soon. We're now standing in the main dining area. We're actually going to be able to seat 50 people. Still waiting on the chairs and tables to come in, but that'll be soon. Hey, here we're standing at the second main feature of this Village Bistro, which is the actual bar area. We actually have 4 taps for beer, and we'll be serving all kinds of mixed drinks and wine here also. The quartz countertops. On the backdrop, we have plenty of space for liquor with the mirror backdrop. Hey, in about a month, we'll be ready to serve the residents here at Freedom Village and get pizzas rolling out of the oven and drinks serving.